Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel Inhale Academy. Friends, today we will discuss about infertility. So what is infertility? Infertility is defined as not being able to get pregnant after 1 year of unprotected sex. Unprotected sex means not use of any contraceptive. So without use of any contraceptive, a couple not being able to get pregnant after 1 year. This is called infertility. Infertility is defined as not being able to get pregnant after 1 year of unprotected sex. This is called infertility. So next, types of infertility. First one is primary, next one is secondary. First one is primary infertility. Primary infertility refers to couples who have not become pregnant after at least 1 year having sex without using any birth control methods. So without using any birth control methods, a couple cannot be pregnant after at least 1 year. After at least 1 year having sex. This is called primary infertility. Primary infertility refers to couples who have not become pregnant after at least 1 year having sex without using birth control method. So without using birth control method, the couple cannot be pregnant at least 1 year having sex without using any birth control method. The next one is secondary infertility. Secondary infertility refers to couples who have been able to pregnant at least once but now are unable. Means in secondary infertility, the couple already one time pregnant but second time they are not able to be pregnant. So this is called secondary infertility. These are the two types of infertility. Then next we go for causes of infertility. First one is male causes for infertility. First one point is abnormal production of sperm. In abnormal production of sperm, there are 3 points. First one is low sperm count, less than 15 million, that is too little sperm in an ejaculation might make it more difficult to pregnant because there are fewer sperm available to fertilize the egg. Due to low sperm count, in abnormal production of sperm, due to low sperm count, the sperm is not able to get fertilize the ova. The next one point is low sperm motility. Means the sperm's motility is very slow, so the sperm cannot reach its target point to fertilize the ovum. Here, in this picture, this is the uterus, this is the fallopian tube, this is also the fallopian tube, this is the ovary, this is the internal os, this is the external os, this is the vagina, these are the sperms. So in low sperm motility, the sperm's motility is very slow, so the sperm cannot reach its target point. So that matlab means the sperm cannot be reached ovary to fertilize the ova. So here infertility occurs. The next one point is abnormal sperm, means unusual shape of sperm. Due to suppose this is the ovary, suppose this is the ovum and these are the sperm. In abnormal sperm means unusual shape of sperm. Due to unusual shape of sperm, it cannot be dissolved or penetrate the membrane of the ovum, which is called zona pellucida. Due to abnormal shape of the sperm cannot dissolve the outer membrane of the ovum or cannot dissolve the outer membrane of the ovum. In this condition also infertility occurs. Next one point is testicular infection. In testicular infection, there is decreased production of sperm. So infertility occurs. The next one point is hormonal imbalance. In hormonal imbalance, there is deficiency of testosterone hormone. So infertility occurs. Next one point is smoking. Due to smoking, decrease the count of sperm. So there is chances of infertility. Due to smoking, there is decreased sperm count. So infertility occurs. Next one point is drugs. Certain drugs like cocaine, chemotherapy, anabolic steroid decrease the sperm count. So fertilization can be impossible. So here also infertility occurs. So these are the male causes for infertility. Then next we go for female causes for infertility. Which are the female causes for infertility? First one is overweight. Overweight women have higher level of hormone called leptin. So overweight women have higher level of hormone called leptin produced by fatty tissue, which imbalance the hormone which are necessary for ovulation. So overweight women have increased level of leptin which are imbalance the hormone which are necessary for our ovulation. So leptin hormone imbalance the hormone which are responsible for ovulation. So here due to leptin hormone ovulation ceases, and that's why fertilization cannot be possible. So infertility occurs here. Then next one point is ovulation problem. Ovulation problem or problem in ovulation or menstrual cycle means ovum cannot release from the ovary. Ovum cannot be released from the ovary. The ovum cannot be released from the ovary, so ovulation cannot be impossible. If there is no ovulation, there is no fertilization. So infertility occurs here. Then next one point is implantation failure. If there is any uterine abnormality, or any infection present in the uterus, or any hormonal or metabolic disorders, or any immunological factor, or thrombophilia, that are the factors which are responsible for implantation failure. Then next we go for hyperprolactinemia. Hyper means increase, prolactinemia means prolactin in the blood. So increase prolactin hormone in the blood. Due to increased prolactin hormone in the blood, it decreases the estrogen and progesterone level, because prolactin hormone antagonist of the estrogen and progesterone, and estrogen and progesterone are responsible for the menstrual cycle. But here prolactin hormone ceases the estrogen and progesterone secretion. So there is cessation of menstrual cycle. If there is cessation of menstrual cycle, there is no ovulation. If there is no ovulation, there is no fertilization. So infertility also occurs here. Then problems with fallopian tube. If there is problems in fallopian tube, if there is blockage of the fallopian tube, this is the blockage. If there is blockage of the fallopian tube, the sperm cannot be reached his target point, means the sperm cannot pass through the fallopian tube due to blockage and can't meet the ovum. So fertilization is impossible here. If fertilization is impossible, then infertility occurs here. This is the problems of the fallopian tube. Then next one point is problems with uterus. Problems with uterus, the condition like endometriosis. Endometriosis is a condition resulting from the appearance of endometrial tissue outside the uterus, and the growth can cause problems like blocking of the fallopian tube. Here the endometrial tissue has overgrowth and they are blocking the fallopian tube, means the tissue of the uterus, they are overgrowth and blockage in the fallopian tube, and block the fallopian tubes. Then which causes the sperm cannot pass through the fallopian tube and also can't reach the ovum, which are released from the ovary. So here fertilization can't be possible. So infertility occurs. Then next one point is drugs. So drugs like chemotherapeutic drugs. Chemotherapeutic drugs can affect the ovary and causing them to stop releasing the egg. Chemotherapeutic drugs are affect the ovary and causing them to stop releasing the egg. That's why there is no ovulation. If there is no ovulation, there is no fertilization. Then next we discuss about PCOS. PCOS means polycystic ovarian syndrome. In polycystic ovarian syndrome, the ovary is functioning abnormally. That's why the ovum cannot release from the ovary. In PCOS, the ovary is functioning abnormally, means the ovum cannot release from the ovary. There is no ovulation. If there is no ovulation, there is no fertilization. That's why infertility occurs. Then next one point is radiation therapy. Sometimes radiation to the brain affects the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland normally signals the ovary to make hormone. If the radiation therapy affect the ovary, affect the signals of the ovary, there is no secretion of hormone from the ovary. If there is no secretion of hormone from the ovary, cessation of menstruation. If there is cessation of menstruation, there is no ovulation. If there is no ovulation, there is no fertilization. So infertility also occur here. So friends, this much for today's topic. Hope you will like this video. For more informative video, please do subscribe, like and share. Thank you.